ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯅꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ꯫ Welcome back, dear students, to yet another class of our e-learning program. Now, dear students, in our daily life, we come across different kinds of materials which we use commonly. Now, our today's topic for discussion will be materials of common use. Now, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯟꯖꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ, ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ? Yes, the material we put in our food or dish on a daily basis is the table salt. Now, table salt gives a characteristic flavor to food. Hinjangse phaniyam hauragasu aikoina thum yakpa natragana watpa leiragadi mahau adumak aikoina watli haidana hainai ko. Now, hairiba table salt si chemically mahaki mamingdi kari kawi haiba nakoi khangbra? Yes, nakoi khangumgani. Table salt is chemically called sodium chloride. It has the chemical formula NaCl. Adu oiragadi, what are the important sources of common salt? Masi akhoi amuk khangsi. Table salt is commonly found in seawater and as rock salt. In solution as brine containing up to 25% of sodium chloride. Matang asida aikoina note tawsanba yaba wafam amana rock salt ki magi cubic crystal si colorless oy. Adubu makhoi si ayamba matamda yellow tinge ama aikoina he uba phangi masi impurities yawbana maram oibanani. Brine whale singsi aikoina Manipur gi oina su Ningel, Chandrakhong amasung Waikhong village of Thawal district da phangi. Common salt gi magi maru oiba uses sing khangkraba matung. Next, let's try to know how common salt is prepared. So, preparation of common salt. First preparation method ta aikoina salt water se evaporation taholaga aikoina common salt prepare tawba yai. That is, common salt is prepared by evaporation of seawater in open fill or shallow iron pans. Low quality salty aikoina HCl haibadi hydrochloric acid si aikoina impure salt ki saturated solution amada pass tawhalaga aikoina semba yai. Ani shuba preparation method si laboratory preparation method ni. So how is common salt prepared in the laboratory? Amu yengsi. Now in the laboratory, common salt or sodium chloride is prepared by the combination of sodium hydroxide, an alkali, and an acid, hydrochloric acid. So koina sodium hydroxide molecule amaga hydrochloric acid molecule amaga react tawhanba matamda we obtain one molecule of sodium chloride or common salt along with one molecule of water. Now, preparation method khange mathang dai khoi common salt ki magi uses khara amuk not tawshimina si. So the important uses of common salt are, the first use is as a raw material for making a large number of useful chemicals. Maru oiba chemicals mayam asi aikoina sodium chloride na raw material oiraga prepare tawba yai. Ani shuba used in cooking food. Third use is as a preservative. Aikoina achar sembadani khangde nga yaibadani khangde aikoina thum hapi se. It is because it is used as a preservative. Then the last use is as a freezing mixture. Haiba mixture sigi magi temperature si up to about -20 degrees Celsius lay. Now, adu oiragadi aikoina common salt na maru oiba raw material ama oiraga prepare tawba yaba some common materials of common use amuk yengsi. So the different materials we obtain from common salt are sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, bleaching powder, sodium sulfate, sodium hypochlorite, amasung sodium chloride na chingbani. So the first material paikatsi sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide si akoina commonly caustic soda haidana khangnaba pot sini aduga mahaki chemical formula si NaOH ni. Now how is sodium hydroxide prepared? Magi preparation method tamuk laksi. So sodium hydroxide, it is commonly prepared by the electrolysis of an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Habidi akoina sodium chloride ki aqueous solution amada electric current thazalaba matungda akoina sodium hydroxide si prepare tawba yai, as shown in the slide here. Now hairiba reaction sida chlorine gas si akoina anode electrode produce tawi, aduga hydrogen gas na cathode produce tawi. Hairiba process si akoina sina maram oiraga the chlor alkali process hairaga sukhangi. Now hairiba process da pithora iba maru oiba gas ani chlorine amasung hydrogen makhoigi sijanafam yamna lei. So what are the important uses of these gases? Yengsi ahanbada uses of chlorine gas. Now chlorine, it serves as a disinfectant. Maramaduna marks koina drinking water sterilized over the sijan. Again, it is used in the production of bleaching powder hairiba materials is hembada. It is used to make plastics such as PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Another use of chlorine is it is used for making solvents for dry cleaning such as trichloroethane. Now the uses of hydrogen. So the first use of hydrogen gas is in the liquid form. Liquid hydrogen. Rocket ki fuel ama season. Then the next use is hydrogen is used to make ammonia for fertilizers. Then it is used in the hydrogenation of oils to obtain vegetable ghee. Now, makha tarakpada aikoina sodium hydroxide hairiba material, common material asigi magi season afam amuk yengsi. So the first use, it is used for making some other important materials like soaps and detergent. It is used in the manufacture of paper. Again, it is used in making sodium hypochlorite with the formula NaOCl, a bleaching solution, bleaching powder, CaOCl2, etc. Now, mathangi maruiba chemical material amu paikatsi. The next material we are going to discuss about is bleaching powder. Now, bleaching powder, it is chemically called calcium oxychloride with the chemical formula CaOCl2. Now, it is a white powder having a strong smell of chlorine. Chlorine gi manam phajana chenba aduma makhal gi white powder mani. Now, how is it prepared? Magi preparation di karam haina tawbano makha tanamu gengsi. So, the preparation method of bleaching powder. Now, bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas of a moderately dry slake lime, 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius ta sahalaba adum makhalgi slake lime sida koina chlorine gas thajan ba matamda we obtain bleaching powder as a product. So the involved chemical reaction is shown here also. So when we pass chlorine gas of a moderately dry slake lime, which is calcium hydroxide, we obtain calcium oxychloride, that is bleaching powder along with water. Matang sida koina note tawsan ba yaba point amana carbon dioxide amasung atmosphere gi moisture na bleaching powder bu irai laina decompose sohan bangami. Hariba decomposition asida chlorine gas pithorai. So when carbon dioxide gas is again passed through calcium oxychloride, we obtain calcium chloride along with the liberation of chlorine gas. That is, bleaching powder is an unstable compound. Now, makha tarakpada bleaching powder gi magi uses amog yengsi. So, the important uses of bleaching powder are number one, as a bleaching agent for bleaching textiles and paper. Anishuba used as a disinfectant to kill germs. Aduga ahum shubamagi used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries. So, masi ekoina ekoigi discussion asidagi kari khangminakre habado mutang recap tausi. So today we have learned about some important materials of our daily use. that can be prepared from common salt. So in detail, we have learned today about the material, sodium hydroxide, amasung bleaching powder. So how are they prepared? Makoigi important properties kari lay, and what are the important uses? See, now more about the other materials in our next discussion. Thank you.